Street lamp flickers on the corner where we stood. I lit a cigarette just to feel something good. Your name still hangs on a breath I exhale, like a ghost that knows how to leave a trail. I hear you laugh in a passing train, see your shadow in a fog window pane. I keep looking for a sign to forgive, but memories got teeth and they never forgive. It's like smoke in the rain, can't hold it, can't name this ache that lingers like a flame with no blame. Try to drown it in time, but it rises again. You're gone, but I'm still breathing smoke in the rain. Tried to love someone new last July, but she looked too much like your goodbye. And every storm that rolls through town feels like your voice trying to pull me down. Maybe I'm cursed to chase the hate, to walk alone through our yesterdays. I reach for peace, but all I find is a taste of you in the back of my mind. It's just smoke in the rain, no shelter, no gain, just stay